Hey guys, how it's going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I finished the gable. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So here is the gable. I'm gonna show you how I install my flashing and a special technique of how to get the pattern in the stone. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. But if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell as well, so when I upload new video you get notified. Let's jump right into the video.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
Alright, what you wanna do, you wanna use your finger, put your finger behind the brick, the stone like that. That way you have 5% to get the same thickness.
Can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Here guys, whenever you put your block in, 6.5. With every 6.5 we're gonna put a block in. If you want to overlap this way, you gotta overlap at least 4 inches over this way. So here we're gonna mark here for the next one. We're gonna take from here over 4 inches over this way. And step from the roof back over, it's 4 inches as well. That's how I do it.
Waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So here guys, this is how I set up my flashing. Each time 4 inches. So from here, 4 inches overlap, 4 inches overlap, 4 inches overlap. That's the least you're supposed to go. So this is the last one on top. So I make my step every 8 inches. So down here, where the roof starts, we wanna step from here, this point over 4 inches. And then after you start to make your step 4 inches over. And 6 inches is the lowest you're supposed to go. That's what I know.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Oh, and if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever.
So guys, there is a way to form the pattern in the stone, which the bed joint, you don't want to go more than 4 feet. After 4 feet you have to break it. You have to put a stone in front of it and break the band. The edge joint no more than the biggest size stone that you have. So in my case, my biggest stone is 10 inches. So right after I lay a stone 10 inches tall, I have to put a stone across it to break it. So the pattern is, you can play around with the pattern. Once you follow the rule, which is 4 feet, the bed joint and the edge joint is the biggest stone, in my case is 10 inches. I'm going to show you in my upcoming video. My next video, I'm gonna go in depth detail of how to get the pattern. But and usually you want to go with like a medium. On top of the medium you put a small, then on top of the small a big. And basically you can play around, you know, try not to put like a medium on top of a medium unless you go across with a small. If you follow my step the way how I lay it, it's pretty simple, and the more you do it, the more practice. I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up, the world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home.
So guys, while you're going up on the gable, you wanna put your level like so. Run it all the way up. Make sure all the stone is touching the level. None again top like so. So everything. That way when you stop it, go here, it flush right onto the stone.
Escape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
This is how I cut a stone using my chopping hammer. Pour it right around, then you tap the back. 100% straight, right on the mark.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.